Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Create a restore point or image. You need admin rights. Once ready, press Win+R, type msconfig, and open the boot tab. You look for multiple entries and the timeout value. This is where Windows shows the menu. Make a note of the default OS entry and any duplicate or old entries you do not recognize. This immediate check prevents mistakes later and tells you which entry you'll remove or adjust with the next commands. You now move to BCD Edit for precise edits. Open an elevated command prompt, then run bcdedit/enum to list all boot objects. Identify the GUID or identifier for the unwanted entry and confirm it is not the default OS. Once certain, run bcdedit/delete identifier/F to remove it. If you want to hide the menu completely, use bcdedit/timeout0 to skip the menu. Take care, BCD edit changes are immediate. That's why you made a backup first. You finish by rebooting and confirming the menu no longer appears. Revisit msconfig to ensure only the correct default OS remains. If something goes wrong and the system won't boot, don't panic. Boot from Windows Recovery Media and use Startup Repair first. If deeper repair is required, open the recovery command prompt and run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, then bootrec/rebuild to reconstruct boot data. Make sure you restore your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.